Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at an additional product that was sent out to me to review. Now this is from the brand AKEYDY. So it comes with some tools that we use for the heat press and for a number of other projects as well. So in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through exactly what comes in this little package and kind of give you a little bit of background on what each one of these individual tools do. Let's take this down to the desk and take a closer look at exactly what we get. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get right to it. So let's say you've already completed your design. You've already, printed everything out. And now comes the time when you need to start weeding. That means you're going to be taking all of those little pieces of vinyl out so that you'll be able to adhere your design onto your fabric. So that's where these tools come into play. So you have a number of different tools here, guys, to work with. Now, the tool that you're going to use the most is probably going to be this weeding tool. And I like the way it's shaped. It has a really nice, finger feel to it for getting into all of those little spaces where you're going to be pulling, vinyl out of. This really is going to come in handy. It's really nice that it has this little hook on here, kind of like a little ring. That way, if you wanted to hang these, now I will put these inside of a case, but you can, use them however you want. Now, these are pretty useful as well. These are going to be your tweezers. And again, that's going to come in really handy when you have to go in and pull things up, lift things, or whatever the case it may be. So this is another very handy tool. Scissors, for the most part, everybody has a use case scenario for scissors, whether it's cutting the shape out before applying it or something like that. This really comes in handy as well. And it comes with this little additional cover. Then you have your scraper. So your scraper is going to be for, removing things off of your cutting mat, or for perhaps flattening things if you need to. So if you're using, maybe you're working with water bottles or coffee mugs and you're applying something to it and you just want to make sure that it's completely flat, then you'll be able to use this for it as well. And then you have your spatula. This is going to be great for lifting things, peeling things away. I have also used this for, tapping down to make sure that something was completely adhering to, whatever material I was going to be heat pressing onto. Having a set of these tools, guys, really comes in handy. So whether you're new to heat press applications or old school, you've been doing this for a very long time, everyone knows these tools are essential in your everyday workflow. So I would definitely take a look at these. These are made very well. I love the color, aesthetic of these. And I'm telling you guys, in my hands, yeah, I've tried quite a few of these over the years, and this feels just as good, if not better, than some of the ones that I still have here in my studio that I work with. So these will definitely be incorporated into my daily workflow when it comes to heat press applications and things like that. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want a quick video out to you guys to show you this set of tools that could be helpful to you guys for heat press applications or any number of other things that you might need any one of these individual tools for. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.